Agrihouse Foundation in partnership with the Ministry of Food, Agriculture and Ministry of Fisheries and Aquaculture Development.
The ministry, in conjunction with various government agencies, is implementing a number of measures to reduce the impact of climate change. We hope that this week's fair will again give us the opportunity to recognize the input and to recognize the hard work of our fishers, both in the marine, the inland, and the aquaculture subsectors of our fisheries industry.
You all recall that this celebration started some 40 years ago, 39 entering the 40th year in 1985, as a single occasion to recognize the immense contribution of our farmers and fishers. The theme for the year, the celebration, which is building climate resilience in agriculture for sustainable food.
We all know what is happening in this world. The effect of climate change started a few years back. This year we've experienced the effect of climate change. It tells us that Ghana should prepare itself to become food sufficient, food sovereignty and food sufficiency. To get to that level, we need to plan against climate change. In the program for the PFJ2, there is this emphasis on irrigation. And it is only through irrigation, climate-smart agriculture, that we can combat this phenomenon called climate change. And that is exactly what we are doing. That is why we have this team. It is a team that is not for today, but it is futuristic.
My name is Abna Frankansa Jembi. I am the admin and sales rep. Green organic fertilizer. It's a 100% affordable and effective product that all farmers can use to increase their yield, improve their soil quality and soil structure. If you want to reach us, kindly call us on 0244 915504, or you can visit our plant site located in Obrejima number 2 of the Kumasi-Accra Highway.
My name is Abigail Deku, Sales Manager, EPAC Flexible Packaging. We actually are here to change the lives of packaging for food producers and people who do other things in Ghana. Talking about cosmetics, talking about food products, we're able to do packaging for all of them. So for those who want to know where you can find EPAC Flexible Packaging, we are at Access Bank, Spinters. Immediately you get there, call 059-699-3889. And you can find us on social media on EPAC West Africa.
My name is Adam Salu. I'm head of marketing for NFA Ventures and a sales rep for AMG.
And I am Messi at the Via Operator. I'm also the agronomist for AMG.
AMG is a fertilizer company. We are basically in production of fertilizers such as NPK 25-10-10. We are also into blending of any product that you want. Also, AMG has its mother company in Kumasi in the name of NFA Ventures. NFA Ventures is in charge of distribution of AMG fertilizer. We have distributing outlets across the country, and also we distribute outside Ghana as well. NFA Ventures can be located in Kumasi as far as Agrihouse. Our contact is 0244 417767 or 0249 586030.